Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Mubarak USDT trading pair with my customer set and targets, zone of interest for this token. Let's dive in. First of all guys, I'm not a fan of all these meme stories, but let's be real, the meme sector is more fair than all these tech projects. I already talked about this one. Anyway, for me, all of this tokens just pure speculation. You can open the charts of, yes, I understand you will now hate it, this comparison, but you can open the chart of Peanut and open the chart of Polkadot. So all of these tech projects, they just dump it, and that dump extended in time because the big players needed time to distribute their bags. With meme tokens, they can just dump faster. So this is a case if we compare the meme sector and the tech projects. So guys, this is a first zone of interest will be the fulfill of this daily gap. I showed you now on a max, because on a max this token listed before all other centralized exchanges, March 14. This is the chart. There is no make sense to analyze the initiation accumulation pump model on max, but we got this gap. So it starts between 7 cents 57 and 5 cents, round number. I don't think so we're gonna stop at 5 cents like round number, so I think we'll drop a little bit lower, right? Can we drop and fulfill next one gap? It's around 1 cent 06 or 2 cents 56. Of course we can. This is basically a first zone of interest, and of course only the time will show us will we hit the new all-time high or not. So basically this can be just a range. How to work with the range, I already showed you the video. Also I want to show you the BitGet indication accumulation pump model. Guys, take a look. This is a listing on a max, it's listed like 0.203, I guess. On BitGet it's listed 0.209. So if you trade on a BitGet and if you believe this token will pump with initiation accumulation pump model, and you don't think so will drop lower than the listing price on a BitGet, because invalidation of this idea if the token dump on the listing price. So we are now in the first zone of interest. So if you believe in meme sector, you can accumulate this token now. This one, it's 9 cents, 7, 16, 440, 319. Average entry can be, I don't know, 5, for example. This is a block where we need to fix a profit. Here you can find out how the price respect the level. Here how the price respect the level. Now we should drop to 7 cents 162 and bounce. It can be this price action. So guys, just be careful, because if you're not ready to see the losses, because sometimes people love to catch the knives, right? So they trying to catch the knife. So now I'm buying at 8 cents and we will skyrocket. Maybe not. So you have to be ready for another 50% or 60% down from these current prices, guys. So just in case, I don't want to shock you, this is just a basic price section, and this is what had happened and happened before with many other tokens which listed on centralized exchanges, especially on the meme sector. Anyway, I believe if this token not a pure scam, sooner or later, this token will bounce, find a support, and go higher because of, I don't think so, the meme sector era is ended. No, I don't think so. So this is also the order flow, and usually we build the structure, drop, grab liquidity, and go to the form deviation at the top. So it's possible case scenario, guys. So just be ready for this one. So take a look now with my customer set. What we else do now with this stock and on the max here. This is still a free on 12 time frame. Still not a big accumulation on ADZ, and direction still not at the bottom. So guys, yes, unfortunately we can drop from these current prices or from higher price targets. I don't know, from 10 cents, for example, we can drop 44% down. Technically, guys, it will be much better. Then we will bounce to the top, form deviation at the top, and after that dump it. So guys, better dump faster and recover back faster. 4 hours in frame. Here, this is what I told you. We can form the deviation at the bottom and form a divergence. So it can be this divergence on 4 hours in frame, and it can be this divergence on ADZ on 4 hours in frame. But of course, the better to form the divergence on 12 time frame and the daily. On the 4 time frame, yes, finally we are in the capitulation zone, this one. So if you trade intraday, you can use also this indicator set to identify the direction and the accumulation distribution zones and the sentiment on the market based on market smooth indicator. Money power, guys, no money inflow, nothing. 4 hour time frame here, it was money outflow. So the whales fix the profit, and take a look, they not fix the profit exactly at the top, they fix gradually. Here's a step-by-step money inflow. 1, 2, 3. 3 candles on 4 hour time frame, step-by-step money inflow. But, for example, they build the price entry 9, then at 4, average entry will be 6. At 12, they will fix a profit and withdraw initial deposit. I say they because it's about market makers and big guys who can control the price section. 4 hour time frame, it was a sell. Here's a take profit. No signal to buy. 12 hour time frame, only sell. Nothing. No recommendation to close position. No take profit. Nothing. So just be careful, guys. Take profit indicator. No data on 12 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. Also no data 1 hour time frame, guys. Take a look. We are traded around the buy line. Fundamental value of the stock at 6 cents 71 on 1 hour time frame. 30 minutes time frame. Here fundamental value on 30 minutes time frame, 6 cents 39.0. 15 minutes time frame, it's here buy line only 7.74 at this current moment. Fundamental value, it's 5 cents 79. So guys, you have to work with this set, to identify the buy line fundamental value of the stock. And so here how the price respect the level and bounce it from the buy line on 30 minutes time frame. And this is the way how you could fix a profit like 60%. But of course, it was just for intraday. Also, take a look. This is a pure buy to sell. Highly recommend you. By the way, go and check the buy to sell model. This was a perfect buy to sell. People call it manipulation, but basically just a buy to sell model. So just guys, be careful, because in 5 minutes time frame, the buy line only at 6.1027 fundamental value. It's on this low on the liquidity pool, and the daily fulfill 4.1067. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what you think about Mubarak. Now we analyze only this chart, so I don't want to dive into the prediction about the upside move. Now we work with this current market price section, and we're going down. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. If you want to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.